Hello everybody. In this video we will learn about the lines and the angles. So we have these vocabs. So you need to know what does mean parallel lines, intersecting lines, perpendicular lines, and interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, and alternate exterior angles. So for example, if we have the parallel lines, what does mean a parallel lines? The two lines that will never ever intersect each other, right? This is a parallel line. This is the definition. But we know this is a parallel line because these two lines, they will never ever intersect each other. Intersecting line, the two lines intersecting at the point. Let's say these two lines, EF and DC, they are intersecting at this point, which is H. Okay? Perpendicular line is the two lines intersecting at the right angles at 90 degree. For example, TU, is let's say RS is perpendicular to TU because this line, these two lines intersecting at exactly 90 degree. Okay, for example, this is a parallel lines. These two lines are parallel. So if another line cuts the parallel lines, let's say this one, this line, the blue one, it cuts the parallel line. So now it makes some angles. Okay, the blue line that's intersecting the two lines, it's called transversal line. Transversal line. What does mean transversal line? Transversal line, it's a line that cuts two or more lines. So let's say this one. Can we say this one is a transversal line? This line? No, because it cuts only one line, right? Transversal line, it's a line that cuts two or more lines. Okay, now this is the angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we have 8 angles. So first one, we need to know what does mean interior angles and exterior angles. Interior angles. Interior, it means inside. It is the angles that we have between the parallel lines. Okay, this parallel line. So what angles are in the between the parallel lines? 5, 6, 3, 4. 1, 2, 7, 8 are out of the parallel lines. We say that interior means inside, right? Inside. So the interior angles are angle 5, 6, 3, and 4. Okay, these are interior angles. So exterior angles is the out of the parallel lines. Which one? 1, 2, 7, 8. These angles are not between the parallel lines. Okay, so it means out of the parallel line. 1, 2, 7, and 8. Okay, so now we have the alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Okay, just look at the name. If the question say write a pair of the alternate interior angles or write the alternate interior angles. Alternate, interior angles. We know interior angles. Which angles are interior? 3, 4, 5, 6. But what does mean alternate? So for the alternate interior angles, look at the interior angles 3, 4, 5, 6. Then do the cross multiplication. 3, 6, 4, 5. Okay, so 3 and 6 are alternate. 3 and 6 are alternate. There is another alternate interior angles which is 4 and 5, right? 4 and 5. Don't write 3 6. 3 6 is what? Is third 6 is a number. It's not angle. You need to write 3. This symbol means angle. So this angle is alternate with which angle? 6, because we did a cross multiplication, right? So alternate interior angles. Again, interior angles is the angles that we have inside the parallel. Alternate means cross multiplying. So which one? 3 6 is alternate, right? 3 and 6, then 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. The last one is about corresponding angles. So corresponding angles is the mix of the exterior and interior angles. For example, in corresponding angles, one angle is inside, one angle is outside. So let's choose any angles. In here we know the angle 2 is, we say the corresponding one angle is inside the parallel, between the parallel, one angle is out of the parallel. Okay, let's choose one. We know one is out of, if the question is corresponding, choose the angle that is out of the parallel, 1. And choose another angle that's between, 3 4 5 6. So one angle is inside, one angle is outside, and they are on the same side. Okay, let's say angle 3 is inside, but angle 1 and 3, they are not on the same side, we cannot choose. Let's say 5. Can we choose 5? We know it's inside, and one angle is inside, one angle is outside, but are they on the same side? No, 5 is not on this side. So 6 is the correct answer. 6 and 1 are corresponding. One angle is inside, one angle is outside. They are on the same side. We cannot choose 4. Why? Because 4, the angle 4 is obtuse angle. This one is acute angle, different direction. This angle is up, this one is down. Okay, so 1 and 6, or we can say 2 outside, 5 is inside. They are on the same side. Okay, so we're gonna write angle 1 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. There is another corresponding angle, we say that 2 and 5, right? So there are more corresponding angles on this figure, which is 4 is inside and one angle is outside. We know 7 and 8 is outside, but 7 is not on the same side with the 4, right? So that's why 8. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. So 3 and 7. 3 and angle 7. Okay, so let's quick review about interior angles. Transversal is a line that cuts a parallel line, a two line or more lines. Interior is the angles that's between the parallel, 3 4 5 6. Okay, so exterior is the angles that's out of the parallel, out, let's say 1 2 7 8. Alternate interior angles, if the question is right, alternate interior angles. Interior, look at the interior angles. Alternate means cross multiplying, 3 6. Do not do the cross multiply between 2 and 4 1 and 3, these two ones. Why? Because these two angles are not interior, we need the interior angles. Okay, corresponding angles, one angle is inside, one angle is outside. They are on the same side. Okay, like 1 and 6, 4 and 8. These are is corresponding angles.